We sell the most compact dishwasher adapted for students. What is revolutionary is that it doesn't need any water inflow. We strongly believe in the environment issue, so that's why our product uses less water than if you wash your plates by hand. In addition to that, we encourage diversity in our company. It means that we hire everyone who is performant without any discrimination. Our technology is made in France, which provides a high quality and supports job and local economy. Also adapted to students, our product costs only 200 euros, and many colors are available for any kitchen design.